In today's video, I am going to teach you how to scout for Shopify buyers on Instagram. To do this in a simple and practical way, we will start by setting up one key piece inside your Shopify admin. This setup helps you connect your Shopify store actions with Instagram-related content, so you can better spot potential buyers and move faster when you find interest. First, open your Shopify admin. When you are looking at the main dashboard, you should notice a left sidebar menu. This sidebar is where Shopify places all the tools you need, so take a moment to orient yourself there before you click anything else. Next, click on the Apps option in the left sidebar menu. This is the place where you manage installed applications and also where you can discover new apps to add to your store. After you click Apps, you will typically see a page that shows what is already installed and also options to find more. Now you want to search for a specific application. In the search field on the Apps page, type in InstaFeed. As you type, watch for matching results to appear. Make sure you select the correct app from the results list, since similar apps may exist, and you want the one that is intended for your Instagram content display and related use. Once you see the correct app, click it to open the App Details page. This page usually includes more information about what the app does, what it connects to, and what permissions it will request. Take a moment to review the page at a quick high level just to confirm it aligns with what you are trying to do. Then return to the main action button for installation. On the App Details page, click the Install button. This starts the setup process and moves you to the permissions stage. At this point, Shopify will ask you to confirm what access the app needs. The permissions screen matters because it is how you ensure the app can function correctly for the purpose you are installing it for. Go ahead and continue to the next screen. On the permissions screen, you will see a confirmation section that outlines the access you are granting. Read through the permissions carefully, focusing on what the app will be able to do inside your Shopify admin. If everything looks expected, click the Install App button on that screen to confirm. This confirmation tells Shopify to complete the installation and connect the app to your store. After you click Install App, Shopify may take a few moments to finish setting things up. During this time, it is best not to refresh the page or close the tab because the installation may still be processing. Once the installation is complete, you will usually land back on the Apps area and see that the app is now available as an installed item. Now that the app is installed and connected, you are ready for the next part of scouting Shopify buyers on Instagram, because your Shopify tools are prepared to interact with Instagram content in the intended way. You have taken the crucial first step by adding and confirming the app with the correct permissions. And that covers everything you need to know for this setup step. If you are ready, you can move on to the next phase of using the installed app to scout and identify potential Shopify buyers through Instagram. And that is all there is to it.